Do you want to change the picture background in Messenger? You can replace the photo background with Meta AI with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change a picture background in Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're on Messenger, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type Meta AI. From the search results, open the Meta AI chat. Now, you are in the chat conversation screen. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select photos to upload from your gallery. Now, select an image from your device to change the background. After selecting the photo, in the message typing box, type details about what to change in the picture, like changing the background to a mountain. Once ready, tap the send button. Now, Meta AI will process the image and replace the photo background with the style you requested. Once ready, the edited photo will appear in the chat. Tap and hold the edited image, then select Save to Image. You can also ask for further customization.